movie night.
Are you watching TV?
Yes, watching TV.
What are you watching?
Watching action movie.
Is it exciting?
Yes, very exciting.
Do you like it?
Yes, love it.
Who is that?
The main hero.
Is he strong?
Yes, very strong.
Do you like heroes?
Yes, very much.
Is this scary?
A little, yes.
Do you feel nervous?
Yes, quite nervous.
What happens next?
Not sure yet.
Is he winning?
Yes, right now.
That's amazing.
Yes, so amazing.
Do you cheer?
Yes, always cheer.
Is the sound loud?
Yes, pretty loud.
Should we lower it?
Yes, good idea.
Is that better?
Yes, much better.
Do you like movies?
Yes, love movies.
Which genre you like?
Action and comedy.
Is comedy funny?
Yes, very funny.
Do you laugh much?
Yes, quite often.
Is this the end?
Almost, few minutes.
Did he win?
Yes, he won.
Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Was that good?
Yes, really good.
Do you want popcorn?
Yes, please, thanks.
Is popcorn ready?
Yes, right here.
Do you like popcorn?
Yes, love it.
Is this fun?
Yes, very fun.
Should we watch more?
Yes, one more.
What's next episode?
Let's find out. Dish duty.
Are you washing dishes?
Yes, washing dishes. Is there much? Yes, quite much.
Do you need help?
Yes, please help.
Where's the sponge?
Right there, look.
Is water hot?
Yes, warm water.
Do you use soap?
Yes, this soap. Is this plate clean? Yes, looks clean.
Should I dry it?
Yes, please dry.
Where's the towel? On that hook. Is this cup dirty?
Yes, quite dirty.
Do you scrub hard?
Yes, sometimes hard.
Is that better?
Yes, much better.
Are you almost done?
Yes, almost done. How many left? Just 3 more. Do you like this? Not really, honestly.
Why not? Takes too long. Should we get dishwasher?
Maybe, someday soon.
Is dishwasher expensive?
Yes, quite expensive.
Do you save money?
Yes, saving now.
Will you buy one?
Yes, eventually, maybe.
Do you rinse well?
Yes, always rinse.
Is rinsing important?
Yes, very important. Where do plates go? In that cabinet. Are you done now? Yes, all done.
Is the sink clean?
Yes, spotless clean.
Do you feel tired?
A little, yes.
Should we rest now?
Yes, let's rest.
Do you like teamwork?
Yes, very much.
Was that quick?
Yes, pretty quick.
Thanks for helping.
Anytime, my friend. Cozy time.
Are you relaxing?
Yes, relaxing now.
Is the couch comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable.
Do you feel calm?
Yes, quite calm.
Is this nice?
Yes, very nice.
Do you read books?
Yes, sometimes, yes.
What are you reading?
A mystery novel.
Is it interesting?
Yes, very interesting.
Do you like mysteries?
Yes, love them.
Is the room quiet?
Yes, very quiet.
Do you like quiet?
Yes, very much.
Should we light candle?
Yes, good idea.
Is that relaxing?
Yes, very relaxing.
Do you feel sleepy?
A little, yes.
Should you nap?
Maybe. Short nap.
Is napping healthy?
Yes, quite healthy.
Do you nap often?
Sometimes, not always.
Is music playing?
Yes, soft music.
Do you like it?
Yes, very much.
Is this peaceful?
Yes, very peaceful.
Do you feel happy?
Yes, quite happy.
Is home comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable.
Do you love home?
Yes, very much.
Should we stay longer?
Yes, let's stay.
Is time passing fast?
Yes, quite fast.
Do you feel rested?
Yes, feeling rested.
Is rest important?
Yes, very important.
Should we relax more?
Yes, let's relax.
Do you enjoy this?
Yes, so much.
Is life good?
Yes, very good.
Are you grateful?
Yes, very grateful.
Fix-it mode. Are you fixing something?
Yes, fixing the shelf.
What is wrong?
It's a bit broken.
Is it heavy?
A little, yes.
Do you need tools?
Yes, right here.
Is that a hammer?
Yes, that's it.
Do you know how?
Yes, learned before. Who taught you? My dad taught.
Is Dad handy?
Yes, very handy.
Do you like fixing?
Yes, quite much.
Is this difficult?
A little, honestly.
Do you need screws?
Yes, small screws.
Where are they?
In this box.
Is the box organized?
Yes, quite organized.
Do you like order?
Yes, very much.
Is it working now?
Almost. One moment.
Careful with that.
Yes, being careful.
Did you hurt yourself?
No, I'm fine.
That's good.
Yes, very good.
Is it fixed now?
Yes, fixed now.
Really? It's done.
Yes, completely done.
Are you proud?
Yes, very proud.
Was that hard?
A little, honestly.
Do you feel accomplished?
Yes, very accomplished.
Is that satisfying?
Yes, very satisfying.
Will it hold?
Yes, should hold.
Do you trust it?
Yes, trust it.
Should we test it?
Yes, let's test.
Is it stable?
Yes, very stable.
Great job today.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Are you tired now?
A little, yes.
Shower time.
Are you showering soon?
Yes, showering soon.
Is water warm?
Yes, nice warm.
Do you like showers?
Yes, very much.
Is this relaxing?
Yes, very relaxing.
Do you sing sometimes?
Yes, sometimes yes. What do you think? Just random songs.
Is that funny?
Yes, kind of.
Do you use shampoo?
Yes, this shampoo.
Does it smell nice?
Yes, smells great.
Do you like it?
Yes, love it.
Is water pressure good?
Yes, quite strong.
Do you feel clean?
Yes, very clean.
Is that refreshing?
Yes, very refreshing.
Do you shower daily?
Yes, every day.
Is that healthy?
Yes, very healthy.
Do you feel awake?
Yes, more awake.
Is morning shower better?
Yes, I think.
Do you shower morning?
Yes, always morning.
Sometimes at night too.
Yes, sometimes night.
Is that normal?
Yes, totally normal.
Almost done now?
Yes, almost done.
Do you feel fresh?
Yes, very fresh.
Is towel ready?
Yes, right there.
Are you finished?
Yes, all finished.
Do you feel great?
Yes, feeling great.
Was that nice?
Yes, very nice.
Are you relaxed?
Yes, very relaxed.
Is evening routine done?
Yes, all done.
Ready for bed?
Yes, ready now. Good night, friend. Good night, friend.